How supervisors can watch every screen of their call center agents live. Yeah, so in a busy call center, you never really know what's happening on every agent computer. So with live screen monitoring software, supervisors see each agent's screen in real time from one dashboard, and that's what I will show you here in a minute, and how you can do that too for your call center or for your supervisors. Provide that possibility so they have always an overview about what their call center agents are doing right now by seeing the live screen. So to do that, you need to install. By the way, please take legal advice if you can do that. If you're legally allowed to do that, we do not give legal advice. We give you technical advice. If you are allowed to do that, how you would do that. Okay, this is a technical video. So, if you wanted to see the live computer screens or to give your supervisors in your call center the ability to see the live screen of the call center agents, you need to install on the agent's computer a small piece of software called Wolfeye, which I will show you in a minute. So you install it on each of the agent's computers, and will get a dashboard like this. This is the Wolfeye demo dashboard, okay, the demo dashboard. And this is why the password is displayed. Of course, in your case, it will not be displayed. And you enter the password to your dashboard, okay? And what you will see in this case, it has been installed on 5 computers. You see the computer live screen for each of the call center agents' computer. Yeah? So this is a demo dashboard. That's why you see dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screen. Yeah, and live screen means it will be like a screenshot updated every 2 seconds. Every 2 to 3 seconds, the screenshot is updated, so you have this time lag of 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and the supervisor could also take a closer look at one of the screens if he notices unusual behavior. For example, by right mouse clicking the live link, right mouse, open in a new tab, he will see the live link of the live screen of that particular computer. Live screen, here you see a dummy picture. In reality, it would be the live screen. Also, if a supervisor would want to see what has been done throughout the day, to check the activity during the last hours or during the last days, he can also enable screenshot history and see for a particular computer by right mouse clicking on this history link, right mouse, open in a new tab. He sees the screenshot history. Again, here you see dummy pictures because this is the demo dashboard. In reality, you see every screenshot made every 5 minutes, and the screenshots are saved there. Yeah, so that's how it works. So you might ask, how can I do it? Well, come to our website, wolfeye.co. Wolfeye.co. You see it here, yeah, wolfeye.co. Or I can enter it again for you, wolfeye.co. You come to the website, set your language, and you can click this button that says 14 days free trial. You click it and can book a free live demo session with me. Yeah? We'll use Google Meet to do the session, and in the session, 2 things will happen. The first, I will give you a short demonstration by giving you the access to my dashboard. So Wolfeye is already installed on my computer, and I give you the access to my dashboard. Okay, so you will see my live screens, and now dummy pictures like here, but a real live screen. So you will see, is it what you want? Is it what you need? Would you like to continue and try it within a few weeks? Yeah, that's the second step. If you decide yes, you would like to test it, then I will give you the download link for Wolfeye and guide you through the installation process so that you can install it on your remaining computer. You can install it on all your computers and test it for a few weeks. Yeah. And the installation that I will guide you through for your 1 or 2 or all your computers, this installation is very, very easy and very quick. Okay. So the installation path is C, users, public documents, and here the software creates W folder. You don't have to know that. You only know that I give you the download link, and this is the file that you will download. You open it, and the installation wizard appears. You click installed, and it installs. You click finish, and it finishes and opens Wolfeye Remote Screen. It's a strange name because it will also hide from Task Manager. And to set it up, you click share screen and then stealth mode. Stealth mode hides the software. Yeah? So that's how it works. So come to our website, wolfeye.co, wolfeye.co, and hit this button, 14 days free trial, and schedule a Google Meet session with me. Yeah, I speak English, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. If you speak any of these languages, I will do the demonstration for you and give you the download link and guide you through installation and answer all the questions that you might have. I'm happy to meet you. See you in the next video.